Alcantara at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, you have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
We have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa that 10 po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities, please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please. So what is the context of this picture for the benefit of people that are looking? Can you describe who had taken this picture and kindly explain the context, please?
Kung maalala ko po, ako po ang nagpicture nito. Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera. First time ko po yan. Kaya pinicturean ko, natuwa po ako. And po, that's for inaayos po ni Boss yan.
Mr.
For,
Chair, sino yung taong yun na naka-blue?
Can you state for the record, sino po yung napicturean na nakatayo sa harap po ng mga pera?
yung half body po, si Boss Henry Alcantara ko po yan.
Okay. Kanino binigay ang pera, Mr. Chair? Kanino binigay ang perang yan?
Sorry. Sige, pakikwento po muna yung what is the context of this picture?
Yan po, ang context po niyan is, kung makikita niyo po, magkakahiwalay po yung pera. May mga designated person po na pagbibigyan yan, Your Honor.
So,
Can he name them kung sino pagbibigyan ng mga perang yan?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
sino po daw yung pagbibigyan ng mga pera po na yan, supposedly?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ni Boss na sa mga...
Alright, next picture please.
Chair. Pwede lang po maklarify saan ang lugar at